In this video, I'll show you how to resolve sync conflicts in Microsoft OneNote quickly and safely. A sync conflict happens when the same content is edited in two places before OneNote can sync, like editing offline on one device or two people changing the same paragraph at once. To avoid data loss, OneNote keeps both versions and shows a yellow warning bar on the page. Start by opening the page with the conflict message. You'll see a conflicted copy alongside the main page. Open the conflicted version first and select everything so nothing gets missed. Copy the content to your clipboard to keep a full backup. Now switch to the main page, the version you want to keep. Paste the copied content where it belongs, either at the end to review safely or directly into the relevant section. Compare both versions, keep the most accurate text, and remove duplicates. Clean up any formatting so the page reads clearly. Once you've confirmed the main page has all the correct content, remove the duplicate. Use the delete option on the yellow conflict bar to delete the conflicted copy. This tells OneNote which version is final and clears the warning so syncing resumes normally. To prevent future conflicts, try to finish edits on one device before switching to another and give OneNote a moment to sync, especially after large changes or when collaborating. That's it. Merge the content, delete the duplicate, and your page stays clean, accurate, and fully synced.